Albert Einstein said, look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Ralph Waldo Emerson says, adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. So we feel nature is a very important part of mindfulness, which is why we've developed the Mindfulness in Nature course. We also add a little bit of movement, Qigong and some mindful walking. So we've chosen a new venue, which is in a tiny little village called Bonsall, near Matlock, in the Peak District in Derbyshire. We can use the village hall, which is a really cosy little village hall with lots of cafes and accommodation nearby. And we're also able to use Cascade Gardens, which is a beautiful landscape of cliffs and flowers, waterfalls and trees. And there are lots of meditation spaces in the gardens, which will enable us to pause and reflect and do some practice outside in the gardens as well as inside in the village hall. So the benefits of mindfulness are beginning to be widely known in reducing stress, anxiety, increasing our resilience and being able to flourish and cultivate our well-being in a physical and psychological sense. And also we're beginning to hear about the benefits of being in nature. And research is now telling us that mindfulness with nature is actually more beneficial than mindfulness alone, which is why we've put this course together. So the course is going to run on the 23rd and the 24th of September at the new Cascades Gardens, and we really hope that you'll join us.